Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the next tutorial of the SQL. In this tutorial we will look at the SQL syntax. Okay, so basically database table, this is the first part over here. A database most often contains one or more tables. Each table is identified by the name. Each and every table has its name. So currently this is the first table over here, which is going to consist of the customer ID, name, contact name, address, city, post code, country. Okay, and name of this table is basically the customers, or you can also say orders. Okay, so each and every table has a name. In this tutorial we will see we will use the well-known Northwind sample database. So this is the example over here. Okay, so now next it says below is a selection from the customers table. So this is the section from the customers table, which consists of this particular columns, and it has these 5 rows: first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, so these are the 5 rows which this table has. The table above consists of the 5 records. Okay, so rows also known as the records inside of the database, and it consists of the 7 columns, which is customer ID, customer name, contact name, address, city, postcode, and the country. Okay, and now let's just see what is this SQL statement. Most of the actions you need to perform on the database are done with the SQL statement. Okay, so whenever you want to do anything like enter something inside of the database or update something, it is done with the help of the SQL statement. And this is the SQL statement. Okay, first is the select, which is the keyword, then xtrig is there, then from, which is also a keyword, then the customers is basically the name of this table. This table is over here, that's the name of this table over here. Let me just explain you what is going on over here. So when I'm saying over here select is basically what I want to select from the table. Xtrig means everything. I want to select everything inside of the table, whatever that is there. I want to select everything from this table. And from where you want to select, from this table, customers table. Okay, and I want to display this. Okay, I'm selecting everything from customers table. Okay, then I'm running this SQL statement, and now it is showing me all the tables. Okay, sorry, it is showing me all the data, which is all the number of the columns and all the number of the rows. Okay, so it basically has the 91 rows, and all those 91 are these records are displayed over here. Okay, so now you have seen what is this SQL statement and how it is executed. So this is the something like keep in mind that SQL keywords are not case sensitive. Okay, they are not case sensitive. Like in some languages, a few keywords are case sensitive, but select in small letters and select in capital letters means the same thing. It won't make any difference. In this tutorial we will write all the keywords in the uppercase. Okay, so for your this good practice purpose, you can write in the capital letters. I also write in capital letters only. It depends on you how you want to write. Semicolon after the SQL statement. Okay, so as can be seen, this is the SQL statement which starts over here and it ends over here, and there is this semicolon. Semicolon after the SQL statement. Some database systems require a semicolon at the end of this each SQL statement. Semicolon is a standard way to separate each SQL statement in a database system that allows more than one SQL statement to be executed in the same call to the server. Okay, in this tutorial we will use the semicolon at the end of the each SQL statement. Okay, so currently this is the only one SQL statement. There could be multiple. Okay, so this is the only one SQL statement, then there could be next one, then there could be the next one. Okay, so because of this, in order to tell the executing code that this is my next line and this is my third line, semicolon is used. Okay, so once this semicolon is detected, that means this is the first statement. Once this semicolon is detected, that means this is the second statement. Once this semicolon is detected, that means this is the third statement. Okay, so this is how this semicolon plays a role in telling the compiler or whatever executing code is there that semicolon means the end of statement. Okay, some of the most important SQL commands are, so these are the some of the most important SQL commands, and whatever that you see over here in the red, this red is these are basically the keywords. Okay, So select, okay, extract data from the database. So just now we have seen this example, and the select is used to extract the data from the database, which is we have selected everything from this customers table. Okay, so we will see all this in the tutorial, don't worry. So select is basically used to extract the data from the database. Update is used to update the data in the database. Delete is used to delete the data in the database. Insert into is used to insert a new data inside of the database. And the create database is basically used to create a database if you want to create some database. Alter table is basically used to modify the database. If you want to modify something inside of the database, then you can make use of the alter. Create table is used to create a this table. Alter table is used to modify the table. Then the drop table is basically used when we want to drop some table. Okay, so this is the customers table. If you want to drop this customers table, I will say drop customers. Okay, and then create index is used to create an index, and drop index is used to delete an index. Okay, so this is all about the SQL syntax. Don't worry, as of now you might see this as some confusing thing, and you might also feel like this is difficult or something, but don't worry, everything is quite easy and simple. Just stick to the tutorial, and in the future all the doubts or whatever clarifications are there, like all the doubts which are there in your mind will be getting clarified. Okay, so don't worry. Thanks guys for watching. This is all about the SQL syntax, and next we will see or learn about the SQL select.